I don't know.
Alright, so this is 3 fags, and we're gonna go drift. We're gonna try to crash off a cliff right now.
We actually crashed on the cliff.
Damn, dude.
Wait, the race is still on, man. The clock is ticking. It's need for speed. Holy crap!
What the heck was that?
Bro, I'm stuck. Why's your window open?
Holy
crap! What the heck?
Wait, did you pop a tire?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, dude.
Sweet, I got a spare. Let's go.
It flew off.
Oh,
Look how scratched up your car is.
Raspberry bushes. Let's go out onto the street.
All right.
Holy cow.
Let me see.
Oh, let's get back. Hurry up.
Hey, you know what happened? It flew off because you drifted
so hard.
No biggie.
I'm gonna go slow.
Holy cow, man.